telemetry confirms the stress fractures along the main fuselage here.
And the schematics show that aligns with the known weak points.
All right, pull the slack on the starboard side.
Starboard side clear.
Tension the winch slowly.
One more click, hold it. All right, we're secure.
All right, bring her down easy. Watch the stabilizers. Set it down, secure the load.
The careful transit of this historic aircraft marks a monumental triumph, moving the bustling port.
The schematics show the wiring loom run right through this spar.
Yes, but this corrosion changes the approach. We'll start with the outer panels.
The riveting pattern here doesn't match the schematic revision from 44.
Wait, look closer at this section view. It matches the early production photos.
As you can see, the AR overlay highlights severe corrosion here in red. The yellow indicates moderate structural fatigue on these panels. Putting the red replace tag here.
Okay. And this section here requires only a repair, and I'm marking it in blue.
Pistons. The structural integrity is critical for the aft section removal.
The historical data shows the plating is thinner here.
The seal is secure.
Confirmed. Bringing the filtration online now.
Gently now, right there, the last entry.
Yes. December 1944.
Critical path here is the fuselage reinforcement. We need to allocate 3 more technicians to that phase immediately if we want to hit the Q3 target.
Clear to proceed slowly. Keep the laser guides perfectly centered on the marks. Steady now.
Careful on the extraction. We have significant sludge accumulation here.
Pin is clear. Confirm, charge disarmed.
Confirmed. Ready for lift.
Look at the displacement at 50 kilonewtons.
Noted. The yield strength is consistent with the projection.
As you can see right here, the microfracturing has already reached the critical point. We need to ground this aircraft immediately for repair.
Fuel nozzles cleaned and tested, ensuring perfect, efficient engine performance. Installing new turbine blades, every bolt torqued for perfect engine power. The first roar, a fiery rebirth, power unleashed on the test stand.
We are approaching maximum thrust. Temperatures holding steady at 0.9. Ready for transition.
carbon fiber strengthens, enhancing durability for a future of flight.
All right, bring her in slowly. Clear on the left. Roger that, steady as she goes. Easy now, just a fraction more. We are at 0.001. Hold it there. Confirmed alignment. That's it. Check the alignment pins. Looks good. Lock it down.
Sequence 3. Apply torque.
Torque applied. Confirmed click.
The hydraulic jacks are critical, distributing the immense weight evenly across the structure.
Hold it there. Drop another foot very slowly. Steady, steady.
Landing gear cycles perfectly. A silent ballet of metal and precision.
Radio check, bomber 2-1, frequency 125.5.
Roger that, 2-1. Read you loud and clear.
Clear forward on Charlie. Maintain present speed. Thumbs up, looking good.